going to see some wonderful pastimes exhibited by Lord Sri Krishna during his childhood along with his brother Balram and other Gopals. These experiences and pastimes are vividly described in Canto 10 of Srimad Bhagavatam. We'll recite some of the shlokas from the Canto 10, describing a couple of leelas that we'll see enacted by our wonderful devotees. Canto 10, chapter 10, shlokas 25 through 27 describe the Damodar Leela of Lord Sri Krishna. Devarshir me priyatamo yad imau dhanatadmajau tat tatha sadhayashyami yad geetam tan mahatmana itya antare narjunayo krishnastu yamayor yayau atmanirvesha matrena tiryagatam ulukhalam balena nishkarshayatan vag ulukhalam tat damodarena tarasotkalitangri bandau nishpetatu paramavikrami tatevepa skanda pravala vitapau krutachanda shabdau. Translation: Although these two young men are the sons of the very rich Kuvera and I have nothing to do with them, Devarshi Narada is my very dear and affectionate devotee, and therefore, because he wanted me to come face to face with them, I must do so for their deliverance. Having thus spoken, Krishna soon entered between the two Arjuna trees, and thus the big mortar to which he was bound and turned crosswise and stuck between them. By dragging behind him with great force the wooden mortar tied to his belly, the boy Krishna uprooted the two trees. By the great strength of the Supreme Person, the two trees with their trunks, leaves and branches trembled severely and fell to the ground with a great crash.
नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानं यशोदाभियो लक्षलाभ
Sri Krishna ate mud?
Yes, beta. Sri Krishna ate mud as part of one of his pastimes, where he showed the entire universe to Mother Yashoda in his mouth. This is very vividly described in Canto 10, Chapter 8. We'll say some of the shlokas, okay? Canto 10, Chapter 8, verses 37 to 39. Sa tatra dadurshe vishvam jagat sthasnu chakham dishah sadri dvipabdi bhugolam savavya agnindu tarakam jyotish chakram jalam tejo nabaswan viyad evacha vaikarikanindriyani mano matra gunastraya etadvichitram sahajiva स्वभाव कर्माशय लिंग भेदम सुनोस्तनौ वीक्ष्य विदारितास्ये व्रजम सहात्मानम अवाप शंकम. Translation. When Krishna opened his mouth wide by the order of Mother Yashoda, she saw within his mouth all moving and non-moving entities, outer space and all directions, along with mountains, islands, oceans, the surface of the earth, the blowing wind, fire, the moon, and the stars. She saw the planetary systems, water, light, air, sky, and creation by transformation of Ahankara. She also saw the senses, the mind, sense perception, and the three qualities goodness, passion, and ignorance. She saw time allotted for the living entities. She saw natural instinct and the reactions of karma, and she saw desires and different varieties of bodies moving and non-moving. Seeing all these aspects of the cosmic manifestation along with herself and Vrindavan Dham, she became doubtful and fearful of her son's nature.
Ah! Are you crazy? You will get sick eating dirt. No, don't swallow it. Spit it out. Ah! Oh, no, no, no. Mother will be angry that I let you eat dirt. It's not my fault.
What not your fault?
If Krishna gets sick. I told him not to eat it.
Eat what?
Dirt.
Is this true? Did you eat dirt?
He is lying. Look in his mouth.
My dear little Krishna, can't you see how worried your brother is? Why have you eaten dirt?
Are you sure he ate dirt, Balaram? Yes!
There is one way to know for sure, Krishna. If you are telling truth, then just open your mouth and I shall see. Ah, I must be dreaming.
Yashoda? She saw something inside Krishna's mouth. He ate dirt.
I saw the entire universe, the suns, the planets, the oceans, mountains inside his mouth. I think I'm losing my mind.
No, you are not losing your mind. Your mind is fine. Have you not realized yet? Krishna is special.
As we just saw by the wonderful enactment by our devotees, there are a lot of such pastimes that Krishna exhibited. The summary of these pastimes is given in Canto 10, Chapter 11, verse 59. Evam viharai kaumaram jahatur vraje nilayanai setu bandair marakot plavani divihi. In this way, Krishna and Balram passed their childhood age in Vrajabhumi by engaging in activities of childish play such as playing hide and seek, constructing a make-believe bridge on the ocean, and jumping here and there like monkeys. Today, on the occasion of Janmashtami, we should devote ourselves in relishing this pastimes of Krishna and remembering him with all devotions. Wishing all of you a very happy Janmashtami. Hare Krishna.